Hey everyone, we're back, and today it's actually going to be a little bit different. First of this kind of little mini series that we have going here on Epicenter Media. So if you look in front of us and behind us, we have a new toy that we decided to get recently. So Gio, if you want to kind of talk about what we did.
Yeah, so recently we came across this deal that was way too good to pass up. We figured it was going to be both a fun project for ourselves to restore and a fun project to document on the channel. As you can see, it's a Foxbody Mustang, specifically a 91, and it came with the 5.0 as well as the T5 transmission, but as you can see, it's not in the car and neither is anything else. So there's lots of work to be done on it and lots of parts need replacing, need refurbishing. So if you would like, please subscribe to our channel as we document the refurbishment and restoration of this Foxbody. Also, forgot to mention, hopefully this build goes way better than it started out, because right off the bat, we'll put the video here. This is what happened. What did you get?
Luckily, everything is good. No dents to the car, no dents to our wall. The car did not go into our kitchen. My dad is okay.
Yep. This thing picked up so much speed coming off of there. It was unstoppable.
Yeah, so we're gonna be documenting everything. I have very little car experience, if any. Like, I know very basic, maybe like changing the oil, and I know the parts and stuff. I've never physically worked on any car. I've always just kind of been around Gio ever since we were in high school. You know, ever since I've known him, he's been rebuilding cars. He had a CRX. He's been working on the S2000. Literally all of our neighbors and friends always come to him to fix their cars. So literally I've always been around it, seeing him do it. This is the first time that I'm for sure gonna try to learn, you know, with hands-on experience on how to do some of the things that, you know, we have planned, whether it's the engine stuff, cosmetic stuff, even doing some of the interior stuff, all of that I'm going to try to get my hands on and learn as we go. So really excited for this flip. You know, eventually I want to take this to the drag strip and see how it does on there here in Edinburgh. So really excited. Make sure you guys follow the journey. The parts actually came this way. They were not in the car, so we didn't take it out, you know, when it got here. Nothing was in the car. It just came. Recently it did get a new paint job, which is nice. You know, we don't have to do any major body work, so that's a huge plus. But all the engine was not in the car because they had to paint it. So after they painted it, everything was stripped, no interior, nothing. So now that's the fun part of putting everything back together. So yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, like our channel. We are going to be putting up content on this Mustang, and then also of course content on our dirt bike riding, the Alpha, all these other things, the boat. So just make sure you guys keep watching. We have a lot of things in store, and actually something really fun coming up in August. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but you guys can also follow us on our social media on Instagram for more behind the scenes. Thank you guys.